When AIRDESIGN set out to develop the new Silverado ground effects, we started by setting the framework for making a great comeback of the ground effects for pickups. We call this body kit the Silverado Street Series, emotionally charged with the truck's DNA, adding a new level of personalisation and performance in a growing new market trend of street-lowered, big muscle, high-performance sport pickups. AIRDESIGN is proud to present the new Silverado Street Series ground effects kits, meticulously designed to combine beauty, function, and style. Aggressive blackout looks, finished in top grade satin black automotive paint, can be installed straight from the packaged kit or painted to match the colour of your vehicle. Our racing inspired ground effects kit with its flowing lines and integrated aerodynamics adds a new dimension in elegance and culture to the Silverado. And most definitely, the customised vehicle has a striking contemporary sport presence. New Silverado ground effects kits are no-drill accessories ready to install. All components are manufactured with high-performance, heavy-duty engineering plastics from Huntsman, USA. For a precision fit to the body, great flexibility and strength. So on the front spoiler, on the inside, we've got these couple of brackets which are attached to the factory lower valance just to ensure a good, solid, tight fit. We've got 3 parts numbers available for the Silverado Street Series ground effects kits. Regular cab standard box, double cab standard box, and crew cab short box. The Silverado rear skirt comes prepared with a cutout if you plan to install the Baller trapezoidal exhaust system. If you choose to keep the factory exhaust system, all body kits include an L-type exhaust tip which redirects exhaust fumes to the ground. So now it's time for you to build your own ride.